Good morning, guys, and welcome to a very quick market update going over the charts, Bitcoin, altcoins, and XRP. Guys, Bitcoin looks like it could have potentially finished a correction right here, right now, starting another leg up to the upside, going to new all-time highs. Also, when we are looking at the momentum indicator, we can actually see that this one has been kind of retracing very hard. You see, we make a lower low on the momentum indicator, higher low in the price, and when we are seeing this reaction in the price, look at this, it's just very strong reaction. Basically exactly what we want to see, because this dump was scaring a lot of people, and I think that dump also really reset the sentiment. Well, like I said in yesterday's video, guys, when we have a look at the altcoin market cap, we still see that we haven't broken out of any market structure yet. So although a lot of people were bearish, I can understand that because a lot of altcoins were going down. We are still in this pennant formation with a higher likelihood to break out to the upside. So I'm still bullish on altcoins. Unless this thing is breaking to the downside, then definitely I'm going to change my stand on this. But a pennant, this is a triangle formation, generally acts as a continuational pattern, and we entered this pattern from a strong upside move. So I would expect this one to continue to go higher. Looks like this could be a fourth wave continued by a fifth wave. That's very interesting. That's something similar we are actually seeing with XRP, guys. So if let's apply Elliott wave theory, we got 1, 2, 3, ABC, 4. And now we're starting the fifth wave. So I'm expecting with XRP also to go up. We had a massive sell-off right here, guys. Actually, we came down all the way to $2.65, but we got quickly bought up. That's actually pretty bullish. And right now it really looks like normally these candles where we have like a big sell-off followed by a big buy up, this is a liquidity grab. So we just came down, we grabbed a lot of liquidity, and right now there is more space and momentum to go back up. There's a bigger foundation to go back up. So I would say XRP is looking bullish, but it also really depends on, I don't know if this is able to break the middle of the channel right now, or whether we are going to, go over the middle and then have a further correction like I have been mentioning in previous videos. But generally speaking, for now, the coming days, maybe weeks even ahead, I would be positive and bullish on XRP. Then guys, then we go to Ethereum, and I personally really find Ethereum very interesting because Ethereum also has a very strong bounce, and we are actually entering January, and January is well known to be one of the more bullish months for Ethereum, and especially February, and especially when January was a red month, then February actually always has been green. So I'm expecting a lot for February when we are looking at Ethereum, also because Ethereum is looking to bottom out against the Bitcoin valuation as well. And we have seen so much suffering among Ethereum holders, and we are actually seeing Trump like accumulating a lot of Ethereum, and I believe that this will be one of the next stars of the crypto space. Ethereum will shine because it just has been bleeding so much. We haven't even reached its all-time highs yet. And yeah, look at, if we just zoom out a little bit right here, you can see that compared to Bitcoin, had for the majority who has been holding ETH, it has been very disappointing. Of course, if you have been holding ETH for since 2022, you are up. But compared to the rally that we have seen with Bitcoin breaking to new all-time highs, we haven't seen it yet with Ethereum. But I believe that is going to come for Ethereum. But for that, we needed to have a really big reset. We need to have people become so extremely bearish on Ethereum, and maybe even sell so that all the weak hands left the markets. And yeah, I think it's possible that we have seen that. Of course, within this structure, we could always do still something like this and then break out, but also seeing the reaction of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can manage to go to new all-time highs, get that another leg higher, then I believe that the profits that are made with Bitcoin, they will dilute, they will come down, pour down basically to the large caps and altcoins, which completely makes sense in a from a time-based perspective, because February is often a month very good for Ethereum. Ethereum is often the first runner from the altcoins. Right now it was XRP. This we have seen in 2017 as well. Then Ethereum followed, and after Ethereum, we are seeing the profits pouring into the rest of the altcoins. Those are going up. That is the very end of the bull market, and the altcoin season, where the profits from Ethereum go to other altcoins, often goes in March, April, and May. So that follows February, which is again very interesting. Then guys, I wanted to share this image with you, and that is also time-based. This is shared by Benjamin Cowan. Bitcoin market cycle. So if we are looking where we are in the cycle right now, we are actually if we compare to the previous cycle, 2021, we are very close to topping out. But if we compare to 2017, we have still a long way to go. Let's say we are maybe somewhere in the middle. I think we're actually getting quite close to a top as well, because I have been sharing this with you as well, that most people were believing that we are in optimism, and I think it's more belief, thrill, euphoria, or maybe already complacency that we have one last rally in Bitcoin, and then some flowing into altcoins. Every cycle is going to be different, guys. So I'm not going to lean too much on that. I think the strategy that you should have as an investor or trader to maintain your quality of life, to diversify your position. So when we are seeing extreme ends, right? When we are seeing, for example, bear market and extreme lows, for example, like we have seen with XRP, it's okay to take a higher risk. It's okay to take more risk. But when markets already matured, like right now in this bull market, you actually want to, and this is contradicting probably your emotional state, but you actually want to scale the risk a little bit down. And I know how difficult it is. I have problems with that too, but probably one of the better things to do. Guys, that was it for today's short video update. If you like it, please leave a thumbs up. If you want to trade Bitcoin, altcoins, or Ethereum, check out Bitunix in the description down below. You don't need any VPN, you don't need any KYC to trade over on that exchange. I'm using it lately, and I pretty like it. I have some trades open there. Actually, I closed already some trades, but yeah, I've been trying around with this exchange, and I think it's a very nice platform next to Bybit and Phoenix, of course. But on Bybit and Phoenix, if you want to use those exchanges, you'll need to KYC verify your account. Okay guys, I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye bye.